Hello, crafty besties, and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today is a very special video because my power's out. I don't know if you can tell, but there's no power in my office right now, so I can't use my laser, I can't use my cutting machine, I can't use my heat press, and I thought, well, I can't make a video then, and then I realized, what if I made a video with, here's a craft you can do, even if you don't have a cutting machine, you don't have a laser, you don't have a heat press, and you don't have power. So on today's episode, we are crafting without power. So let's get into it. So today we're gonna be playing with UV DTF. So let me tell you what you need for today's project. There's some required materials and some optional materials today. The first thing that's totally required is you need some UV DTF. So if you're unfamiliar with UV DTF, it's sold from our sister site, dtfprinter.com. UV DTF is essentially like a very fancy sticker. It's like a grown-up sticker because it's very durable, very permanent. It has this kind of glossy finish to it, you can see. And it's a little bit raised off of the sheet, just a little bit, like a traditional sticker would be, but they're coated with a UV, like resin? Is that the right way to put it? They're coated with a UV substrate that allows them to be incredibly durable, stand up to the elements, they're outdoor safe, they're dishwasher safe. You could use these as, laptop stickers, cup decals. People use them to make wall art. People use them on pretty much any hard surface. So they're great for hard surface crafting. They're super durable. They don't fade, crack, or peel. So we love UV DTF here at Design Bundles because honestly, it's kind of the future of crafting. If you don't want to cut everything out with your cutting machine, if you make more complicated designs where like layering multiple layers of vinyl can kind of be a chore, this is such a good option for you because again, it's super durable, it's super vibrant, and it's inexpensive. So we love it. If you want to try UV DTF and you've never tried it before, you can go to the link in the description of this video and upload your own files, either that you've made yourself or from the Plus library, to create your own gang sheet and get it shipped to you just like this. I would highly recommend doing like a few, this is a big bundle of them. You don't have to do this many, but throw like 10 or so designs on there because it does become a little more cost effective when you get like a decent sized sheet, maybe like this size. You can play with that on the DTF printer site. We have other videos too that talk about how to do that process and how to like best optimize your money. If you want to try out designs and you don't want to use your own designs, we have a monthly event called the DTF Dollar event where we do bundles of UV DTF and regular DTF, and each roll is $70. And if you buy the mega bundle, it essentially works out to like $1 per transfer, which is an amazing deal. It's designs that you can't get anywhere else, so they are exclusive to the event. This is actually a roll from one of the events that we recently did. So let's do our craft, our powerless craft, which is gonna be sticker bombing one of these tumblers. So I was trying to decide which one to use because I actually really like this kind of orangey red one, but I also really like just the white one. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give you guys a better view of my gang sheet, and we're gonna cut out the decals we want to use, and then we'll figure out which cup matches the best. Okay, so as we're rolling this out and picking our designs, I'll also tell you the other items you need for this project. You need a tumbler, which you know because I just showed you that. And then you need a pair of scissors. Optional materials would be like a squeegee to smooth it down and like a tumbler cradle. I love my tumbler cradle. It's a wood one. I'll show you how it works later on in this video, but I just got it from Amazon and we will link it in the description of this video. Okay, so there's a ton of stickers on this one. I think we're gonna have plenty to choose from. I have extra rolls in case I need to choose from more, but I think we have plenty to choose from here. Let's see what we like. I really like this one that says, well, butter my biscuit. I also really like this flower here. Let's get this. Okay, so we're gonna use that one. My body runs on cheese is good. I also like appreciate ya. Okay, there's some good ones on here. I'm gonna cut these ones out all together because I know I'm gonna use all three of those. This one says appreciate ya. I'll show you all these close up when I'm done here. I think I might go like with a Southern sayings like theme here. I might get pretty as a peach. Let's go grab that one. Done with that. Let's see what else is on this sheet. This is all still the same gang sheet. This came from like a sticker bomb gang sheet we did for one of our events. And let me tell you, there were so many good stickers on here. I like that teacup too. It's really cute. Okay, we have so many though to choose from. Let's move those to the side. I don't even think we're gonna need to look at these other ones, although there are plenty. Let's go through what we picked and see how many there are. Okay, here's all the ones that I selected. I'm trying to decide if any of them like stand out and don't really match. But actually, I think I really like them all together. So I think we're just gonna start going for it and see if we can fit them all on our cup. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be quite the challenge. Okay, I do think the best fit for this project is going to be the white cup. And if you've never used UV DTF before, you're gonna love this video because you're gonna get to see just how easy it is. Okay, so let's start with this one. It says, "Till the cows come home." So the only thing about this that's gonna be hard is I can't see because I don't have any light in here. The sun is going down rapidly, so we're gonna do our very best. But basically, you just peel it like a sticker. So I'm trying to like pick up just the backing, which is a little hard when I can't see. But you just peel off the backing, so literally it just becomes like a fancy sticker. And then we're just gonna place it down on our cup. Now this is where the squeegee is completely optional. The tumbler cradle too is optional, but you can see it just helps me be able to like turn my cup and keep it nice and flat without it rolling all over my floor. And then we're just going to peel away the backing and it leaves behind the sticker. Ta-da! And it's literally that easy. We're gonna do literally just a girl avoiding reality. Woo, got another one. I'm trying to decide if I wanna like overlap it or just like, I think I do wanna do like a little overlapping because there's quite a few of these. Also, it is nice if you can help yourself out. Wow, let me make a full sentence. You can help yourself out by creating like a flat angle when you peel away the transfer sheet. That's just gonna make it like that much easier for you to get the sticky part off. Usually it doesn't really struggle, but I always like to do that just to be safe. And we're gonna try not to rip anything on this last one because that is like my forte, is like we make it to the very end of a project and I rip something. And we didn't. Okay, here's the question. Can we fit Pretty as a Peach up here? I kind of feel like we need like something small right there. Like it just feels naked right there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut this one in half. And instead of using "Hey y'all," I'm literally just gonna use "y'all," and we're gonna put it right there. And nobody will ever know. How will they know? Answer, they won't, because it looks like it was made like that. Aha! Okay, she's done. Let's put the lid on and then I'll show you in the dark because the sun has gone down. Okay, DB besties, we have made it to the end of this video. This in the dark, my power is out in my office video. This is a craft you could do completely without power. So even if you don't have a cutting machine, don't have a laser cutter, don't have a heat press, and don't even have access to your computer, you can do UV DTF. So I'm super excited with how this turned out. Justy has been trying to get me to do the sticker bomb style for a long time, and I just haven't had a good reason to do it. And this video was my reason. So we have sticker bombed this cup. I really like how it looks. We went with like, you know, the little Southern sayings theme. And I think she turned out so cute. And I will definitely be using this cup. Or maybe I'll save it and gift it to one of my Southern besties. So, I hope you loved this video. I hope this gave you a reason to try out UV DTF because it truly is so fun to work with and so easy. My daughter can even use UV DTF and she's 4, so you have no excuse. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we will see you back here next time, hopefully with the power on, and we'll be doing some Valentine's crafting together. So, happy crafting, besties. See you back here next time.